storm cloud is negatively charged. Figure 3.1 shows a cloud above flat. Hello?
Yeah, can you speak louder?
Sir, can you hear me?
Hello?
Okay. Uh, sir, can you hear me now?
I can hear, but it's very low sound. What about others? Are you listening to her? Hello? Okay, speak a little bit louder, then read again. Huh? Yeah, Adrita. Adrita. Okay, okay. Adrita cannot hear anything. Then we go to other one. Monica. Monica, can you read from here? Question 3. Monica. Hello, Monica. Monica, are you listening?
Hello, sir. Sir, can you hear
Oh,
me?
Monica is not here. Maybe she is disconnected.
Sir,
Then
can you hear me
Adrita,
now?
Adrita, now you
Sir.
can continue. Yeah, 3.
Okay. The base of a storm cloud is negatively charged. Figure 3.1 shows a cloud above flat ground. A.
Okay.
The cloud causes the ground. Sir, should I continue?
Yeah, the cloud
The cloud
causes
causes.
the ground beneath it to become positively charged. Yeah, it's very important to understand what's going on here. You see, the earth becomes positively charged. Here, ground. Ground beneath it becomes positively charged. So it's like the condition you are bringing one negatively charged rod closer to a neutral sphere. Can you remember what happens that time? Just uh, previous question we got with positively charged rod. When we are bringing positively charged rod, the sphere K, the sphere K closer to the rod, it became negatively charged. In our previous question we are talking about, right? So the same thing is happening here. Like we are bringing here negatively charged cloud here. That's why the ground, it was neutral before. Now when these negative charges are coming here, then electrons are repelled from the ground upper surface, and the upper surface becomes positively charged. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So they are asking you explain in terms of the particles involved how the ground becomes positively charged. For this question, how many marks are there? We have to check. Then we will start our answer. So we have here 2 marks. Now, uh, how we will focus our answer? What happened to Lamisa? Oh, we are getting disconnected. Uh, Maybe outside there is storm. In my house also, outside I can see there is a storm going on. Little bit, huh? Not that much. Maybe for that reason, network problem. So how we will write it, Adrita?
Um, we are going to mention the repulsion of electrons
How the ground becomes
to
positively charged? Hello, Adrita.
yes, sir. The
You
volume is
have
going to vary.
anything you thought or you wrote anything in your worksheet about this?
Yes, I did.
What?
I've written that the lower part of the cloud, since it's negatively charged,
Mm-hmm.
repels the electrons in the ground, and therefore the ground becomes positively charged.
Very good. Very good. So you are using mobile or laptop? Hello, Adrita.
Laptop,
Okay.
laptop.
So you can write it if I allow you.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, you can annotate. Here you write. What you said, that one you write. Better to write with red color, huh? So that we can see. All of us can see clearly.
Okay, sir.
So everyone, are you seeing the writing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So please do write, huh? This one. and you add with. Okay, continue. Adrita, continue. Adrita is not there.
B. In the space
Yeah,
between the negative charge on the cloud. And, sir, I'm here. Hello.
yeah. Read.
There's some lag.
State what is meant by an electric field. What?
In the space between the negative,
What is written in your notes?
it is an area where a charged particle experiences a force.
Yeah, so you write this here.
Sir, I believe my network connection is really poor, so like everything is lagging.
Sorry?
My internet connection is not very good today, so um, like the voice is lagging.
Yeah. Voice is lagging. Okay. So can you please write here, annotate what you said?
Okay.
Yes, very good. So everyone, you have it in your notes. You can write it is an area or it is a region. Hmm, both are correct. 6. Yeah, thank you. Now, Monica. Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please continue 4?
Figure 4.1 shows a thundercloud with a flat, positively charged base. It passes over a tree growing in a region of flat open land. On figure 4.1, mark the charge on the tree.
Yeah, it's very interesting thing here we are getting. The previous one, we got here negative, and this one we are getting positive. So cloud, the lower part can be positive or negative. It depends uh, due to the friction, which part is losing electron, which part is gaining. Have you understood? It's very important thing to understand here, or we have to remember here that always there will be not negative or always there will be not positive. It can be either positive or negative in the lower part. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So if you are getting positively charged, then you have to think about that positively charged rod is brought closer to a neutral sphere. What happened at that time? The same idea we will use here. In our previous question, we got here negative, negatively charged cloud. The lower part is negative. So when we brought there, it close to the ground. We got it close to the ground. The ground became positively charged. The ground became positively charged. Why it became positively charged, we got the explanation. Now, for the tree, what will happen? Will it be negatively charged or it will be positively charged? Hello? Hello?
Negative.
Very good. So, how will draw it? It's negative, it's correct. Now, how will draw it? Like the sphere we drew, the same way we will draw the negative charges here on the tree. From here we'll start and we'll check how many positive charges are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will also give here 8 this way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Okay, this way we are doing. Is it clear?
Yes.
So our first part is done. Yeah. By this drawing, our first part is done. We are going to next part. You have the worksheet printed, Monica?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then continue from your worksheet. 6. Is it in front of you, Monica?
No, I got to find it from my table.
Oh, that's the reason. Okay, so you read here. What's written here? Can you read?
If number two, explain how the tree becomes charged.
So you got it right in the previous question, the similar question, but here it will be opposite. So you will write the answer? In our previous question, it was negative. It was positive here in the ground because the electrons were repelled by electrons of the clouds. Okay, then they move away. We got positively charged upper side. Now we got here electrons here at the upper side. So how it happens? I will write it.
The lower part of the cloud gets positively charged. The neutrons on the no, yeah. The
The
neutrons on the grounds
lower part
are
of the cloud is already
repelled.
positively charged, right? So that's affecting the tree. So we have to, bring our answer uh, with the tree. Why the tree becomes charged, negatively charged? It's due to the positively charged cloud, right? So what can we say about this? The electrons are attracted by the positively charged cloud, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So electrons are coming from the ground, right? Electrons are coming from the ground to the tree, and why it's coming? Because they are attracted by positively charged cloud, right? And at last you'll write unlike charges attract. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Electrons from the ground So have you finished writing? Mahi, hello Mahi.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding everything?
Yes, sir. I'm understanding.
Very good. Oh, previous one I did not give, right? Previous one I have to also give image 7. Okay, so there is a big question. Yeah, continue here. Monica, continue. Monica, Monica, are you there? Yeah, she is here.
3. A lightning strike occurs and in 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 4 seconds. A charge of 560 Celsius passes. A lightning strike occurs and in 2.0
Okay. So this one actually from the basic ideas of numericals. So can you guess how to do it? This is just basic maths. You have to use your basic mathematics idea to solve this part of these questions. Calculate the number of electrons that pass between the tree and the cloud. You have you are given the time, charge is given 560 coulomb. Okay, then you are given the size of charge of an electron. So what you have to deal with, uh, we we are getting here total charge, and we are getting the charge of an electron. So using these two information, we have to find number of electrons. Just unitary method. Yeah, anyone got it? Adrita, have you got it? Hello,
I'm sorry, one question.
have you got the answer? So how will write it? This way, unitary method. Just you write 1.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb charge is for 1 electron. Then 560 coulomb charge will be charge for how many electrons? 560 divided by 1.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 19. Do it, huh? Using the calculator. So what is the answer coming? Hello? Anyone got the answer?
3.5 times 10
Mhm.
to the power negative 17.
It will be negative or positive. You see, 10 to the minus 19 is lower part. So when it will go upper side, it will be positive, right? Your 3.5 is all right. Then 3.5 into 10 to the power 21. Is it clear? Here minus 19,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
The lower part is minus 19, so it will be positive then, right? It will go upper side.